Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? The Street Trading coming at you with today's Trade Ideas video. This Tuesday, the 12th of April, 2022. We're looking at an hourly chart of SPY. Let's get into it. The ETF is trading north, just a quarter point right now, but pretty much flat. Still have about another half hour to the boys step in here at 8 a.m. There was a bit of bleeding yesterday to kick off the week session, and the ETF pretty much printed the low into the close. Gapped down obviously in pre-market and just try to catch the reversal traders early on, and they all got caught pretty much throughout the day. It was pretty much a chop fest, and then obviously closing to the lows this morning. Whatever, like I said, just it's up a quarter point, but it's pretty much flat. Interestingly enough, obviously, it was holding, all the major moving averages were holding up the ETF. But right now, it's kind of battling the 200 on the daily for you moving average traders. So obviously, that's kind of like always the last line of defense. That being said, I mean, it's on a technical standpoint, there's something forming, and we're going to get into that in a second. But nonetheless, there's some questions looming. But you know how the street likes to take things past obvious zones and levels. So don't get that twisted. We are going into today's session with 3 on watch, 1 off our weekly. That's setting up right now nicely in the pre-market, and a couple extra that we are liking from yesterday's afternoon session. And this morning pre-market as well. So let's get into what we are looking at for today's session. If this, then that, our game plan. Let's get down to business.